The dashboard is your starting point when you log into Custodian. At a glance, you'll see any upcoming planned maintenance events, any unresolved issues that might need further attention, and any new issues that need to be acknowledged. Lots of different messages and submission forms will appear in pop-up windows. We call these windows modals, but we'll discuss what each modal does in separate tutorial videos. All Custodian features are accessed from the left menu panel. If you're working on a small screen, clicking the three-dot button will hide the menus. Clicking again will expand the menu. Wherever you end up while you navigate Custodian, clicking the dashboard icon will bring you right back here. When you're done with Custodian, it's always a good idea to log out, especially if other people have access to your computer.